Good morning. I am Crisame Medina, the owner of this company, and you are Miss Panaga, right?
Yes, ma'am, I'm Fanny Lois Panaga, and I'm very thankful that you have given me this opportunity to be interviewed.
Tell me something about yourself.
I'm a BS Pharma fresh graduate from the University of La Salette in Santiago City. I love to constantly learn new things and solve problems while helping my patients regain their health. With my friendly characteristics, I will be able to help my patients to give them quality service.
Why did you choose a career in pharmacy?
I never actually pictured myself of becoming a pharmacist. It was my parents' choice. However, as I was studying pharmacy, I began to have the urge to help others by giving them not only the right drug but also providing them the best service I can give. I was also fascinated by the part of the profession on how drugs heal different ailments, on how it can ease the patients from the pain they are suffering from. This is why I chose pharmacy and have been preparing myself for the role for a long time. I believe I am well equipped to deliver value to customers and help the pharmacy achieve its goals.
What do you like best about being a pharmacist?
I love getting to serve patients in practical ways, whether that's patient education or simply refilling their prescription in a timely and pleasant manner.
What do you like least being a pharmacist?
We cannot avoid having difficult patients, those who want to get what they want and won't listen to us. But then I realized that we are all going through different kind of pain or problem that make us somehow impatient. This helps me focus on being kind and improving their days instead of my irritation.
What is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is my friendly character and talkativeness. I guess this would help me get along with my patients and telling them what they need to know before making them leave. This would also help me understand my patients better, therefore giving them the right service.
What is your greatest weakness?
I tend to panic or blank out whenever I'm under pressure. Most of the times, I would not know what to do right away or how to manage the situation. But with the help of my colleague and friends that would always cheer me up and encourage me whenever I'm down, I always get to go back and track and able to focus myself on what I must do first.
Why do you want to work here?
I've respected the work that your pharmacy has done in the community for a long time, and I was excited to see that this position was open. I respect your values of empathy and excellence, and I'd love to be part of furthering those.
What would you do if a customer asks you about an over-the-counter medications that you have never heard of?
I would get as many information as possible and then let the patient know that I was unfamiliar with the medication, but that I would look into it, would get back to them as soon as possible.
How do you make yourself a better pharmacist?
By attending professional conference each year and to stay in contact with other pharmacists I meet there, swap resources such as articles and online classes throughout the year to keep us learning and growing. Every few months, I would also ask my coworkers what I could be doing better.
How do you stay up to date to a new medication and trends?
I read and always search on the internet on the updates and news with regards to new medication. I would also ask my colleagues about the updates and also discuss my findings with members of the professional organization I am in.
How do you make sure that patients are educated on their medications?
With every patient, we must ask about their knowledge on the medication they're taking and history of medications, and if they happen to know its side effects, then we would inform or educate them afterwards. We tell them the side effects, how to take them, and to not miss any medication because it will not be effective anymore and we'll have to redo it again.
What is the most important part of pharmacist's job in business perspective?
The most important part is to give the best possible service to patients. If we do, they'll keep coming back again and again, then they'll refer it to their friends. Without our customers, the business won't make it, so we will always have to satisfy our patients.
Okay, to end up this interview, I would like to ask you one last question. Why should I hire you?
My experience in both local pharmacies and large hospitals during my internships has given me a unique perspective and skill set that will allow me to further your customer relationship and your organization's efficiency, both of which I know are pillars of your pharmacy values.
Okay, thank you for attending this meeting. It's great to meet you. My secretary will give you a call in the next 3 days.
Sounds good, ma'am. I look forward into it. And thank you very much.